Hi friends, hope you all are fine and safe. In this video, let's get to know about the basics of phonemes. This video is part 2 of the Phonics and Phonetics series. Please feel free to check the video link of part 1 of this series, Phonics and Phonetics series, part 1, English Language Basics, Letter and Letter Sounds, IPA, in the description box for a better understanding about the basics of phonics and phonetics. So, first, what's a phoneme? A phoneme is a language's smallest unit of sound which we blend together to form words. For example, in most English dialects, the sound patterns sin and sing are two separate words that are distinguished by the substitution of one phoneme n for another phoneme ng. Two words like this that differ in meaning through the contrast of a single phoneme form a minimal pair. Phonemes that are established by the use of minimal pairs such as tap or tab, pat or bat are written between slashes. A phoneme is generally regarded as the abstraction of a set of speech sounds known as phones that are perceived as equivalent to each other in a given language. The first thing one needs to learn is how to identify and categorize phonemes as either consonants, short vowels, or long vowels in a single syllable spoken word. Next, they need to learn the letters that can represent a particular sound. For example, the sound K, that is K, in the words kill and skill are not identical because they are K and Sk, but they are the distributional variants of a single phoneme K or K. Therefore, phonemes are often considered to constitute an abstract underlying representation for segments of words, while speech sounds make up the corresponding phonetic realization or the surface form. Phonemes are conventionally placed between slashes in a transcription, whereas speech sounds are placed between square brackets. Push over here represents a sequence of three phonemes, that is p, and ish. And push represents the phonetic sequence of the sounds. The symbols used for particular phonemes are often taken from the International Phonetic Alphabet, which is the IPA, the same set of symbols most commonly used for phones. If you feel these videos are useful and you like it, please like and share these videos and subscribe to our channel and press the notification symbol and opt for the option all among the three options in the notification symbol so that all the videos will be notified as soon as uploaded in the channel. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. A phoneme of a language or a dialect is an abstraction of a speech sound or of a group of different sounds which are all perceived to have the same function by speakers of that particular language. For example, the English word through consists of three phonemes, the initial th, the and then the vowel sound. The English phoneme chart has 44 phonemes, which are divided into 24 consonants and 20 vowels, represented by the unique symbols assigned by the IPA, which in turn form over 280 letter or letter combinations, that is diphthongs, called as graphemes. Most letters therefore never make just one sound, and that sound can be made by more than one letter, that is, as a letter combination. Children need to learn that letters can make different sounds, and thus we introduce to them the concept of educated choices. Some letters have a very strong one-to-one sound-to-letter correspondence, but others such as the vowels do not. The English phoneme chart, which uses unique symbols of the IPA, splits the 20 vowel sounds into two groups based on the mouth position. Monophthongs, which have one mouth position throughout the sound. For example, the sound E in me. Diphthongs, where the mouth position changes, giving a two-sound quality to the phoneme. For example, oi in boy. As every word and syllable in a word has to have a vowel, being able to distinguish vowel sounds from consonant sounds is a key skill in understanding the word structure. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all soon in an upcoming video with the further basics of phonics and phonetics. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care and stay safe. See you all in the next video.